Hi, my name is Kevin. Today we're going to make a stalactite. Stalactites are structure full that are made out of minerals and grow from the ceilings of caves. Now we're going to learn how to make them. You need 2 identical jars. Wool with paper clips attached at each end. Baking soda with spoon. You can also use washing soda. And warm water. Just in case you're out of warm water, you pack some extra. So for first, put the warm water into the jars. Okay, now let's use the leftover. Okay, now let's add the baking soda. About 3 spoons of baking soda is enough. 1. Oh, put it on the other jar too. Okay, here comes a big sign. Okay, now stir well. Since there was a big mess of the baking soda, I put it in a tray to avoid the mess. Stir until it doesn't dissolve anymore. Mix well. Now put in the string. Okay, now leave it for 1 week. Hi guys, after 7 days later, look what happened. You see that a stalactite, but not really a stalactite, had formed on the string. This happens because over time, the baking soda solution gets into the wool. The water starts evaporating, but the baking soda still stays there. This process repeats. A stalactite is a tapering structure hanging like an icicle from the roof of a cave, which is formed of calcium when calcium salts are deposited by dripping water. For example, like this one. This is my data. Thanks for watching my video. Bye now, see you soon. And please subscribe to my video.